Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Halo Flashpoint mini is the sword-wielding elite, this time with yellow armor. They would normally be gold in the games, but since none of my armor is actually a metallic for this game, I'm actually going to go for a normal non-metallic scheme. They were black and white Zenith primed, and to get started I used Doom Death Black for the base rim and the undersuit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Bringing in the mid-tone on the undersuit now, I went around with Dungeon Stone Grey and just left that black in the recesses and shadows. To finish off the undersuit, I grabbed a cold grey and brought up the upper parts and the sharper edges. For the longest part now, I start off with a few coats of Volcanic yellow. I probably should have gone for a darker colour first, something more like a golden brown just to help that yellow cover a bit better, but this does take a few coats just to get to where I want it. Starting to bring up the panels on the armour, I grabbed AK Interactive's yellow, went over pretty much everything, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses and shadowed parts. Finishing up the armour, I used Craven yellow to bring up the edges of the panels and some of the panels facing directly upwards. Moving on to the sword, I start off with Relic blue as the base coat over it all. For the top half of the sword and around the edges, I grabbed Seafarer blue. Getting the edges and the tips of these swords done, I went with Iron Blue. This is used as a rough dry brush across the sword just to get some variation into it. To get the visor and sword handle done, I went with a once over of plate armour. As with all my Halo minis, the base starts off with a once over of Scabbard brown. Bringing up the tips of the texture paste, I lightly went around with Manticore Ochre. Finishing up the base, I gave it a wash with Archaic Sepia wash. And that will be it for these yellow Sangheili Mercenary. While the camera struggles to pick up the colour of the armour, I do like it. It will definitely stand out on the tabletop at least. For any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. If you want to pick up Halo Flashpoint or just some painting supplies, there are some affiliate links in the description. To get a closer look at this mini, you can check out my Instagram page. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, don't forget to drop it a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.